I'm Muhammad Abdullah, and well, you see this model. Let me explain the first time I met it. On my 6th birthday, my khala gave me Lego. So when I got them, the day after that, I bring them in my room. Then I made it. Well, you can see I didn't made it in one day. The pieces were 1,123. And I finally made it. I take a lot of days. And you see the structures? These are my own structure. The instructions didn't say to make them, but I just think I will make them by my own. So let's put this little man. He's called Seaman. Like if someone is going to attack the pirate ship, he sails down the sea. Then he gets on the other pirate ship who is going to attack or anything. Then he attacks them. That's what his use. Let's put this little man over here. What do you think? Is that good? Now it's time for the skeleton. Well, you see the skeleton head looks like a zombie. But it can give the head. I didn't have any more heads, normal heads. So that's why. You know why? Because see this part. This it was 11. And they were, my instruction also gave pieces. How many pieces they were. It was saying 12. And you see 11 are here and where about the other one? Here. Let me make it like this. This is. And these heads look, because no, not normal, because I made them with my imagination. So as I was saying, the skeleton, wait, it should go maybe where you think. Okay, I'll put it on the flag. Hello. It's saying hello. And these two. Well, you see they look quite the same. Just their hats are different. Well, this hat had to go on the skeleton. But I thought a skeleton had to be a same one. So I thought I will put it over here. Okay, let me explain about this. This is a guard. A guard always wears a helmet. So this is the helmet. And a guard always have to be on the entry. So the entry side is over here. Hey, you have to sit down. And this will go over here. Well, you see, there are no weapons to attack. But I'll put a weapon so you'll see it in my next video. Bye-bye.